नमस्कार पळोवया इंडियन ऑयल प्रुडंट टेनिस क्रिकेट. इंडियन ऑयल प्रुडंट क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंटान डी ग्रुपांतले पयले मॅचींत आयवाय क्रिकेटर्स पणजेन एमएलटी साखळेक 17 रनांनी मारले. पणजे कंपाल ग्राउंडार सर्त चल्ल्या. आयवाय क्रिकेटर्सान पयली बॅटिंग करतना 6 ओव्हरींत 3 आउट 83 रन काडिल्ले. एमएलटी साखळे 4 विकेटीचे बदला 67 रनूच काडूंक पावले. आयवाय क्रिकेटर्सांचो केदार मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Kedar lofted shot and that will travel. It's a beautiful boundary coming up. The very first ball to get off the mark. The ball is up in there and no fielder there. So once again the ball will travel. It's gone all the way for a 6. Lovely drive in the gap. The ball is racing away. Could be a boundary and yes it is. Good bat on that. Beautiful time bound 30. Shot of length and good hit. But only to find a fielder in the short leg region. A good drive finds the fielder. Long on, yes and no. Oh, short of crease. No need for Ishwar to go for that second run. Good swing of the bat. The ball is up in there and intentionally put in that gap and the ball races away. उछाल कर दे मारा है. 4 रन मिलेंगे या फिर केवल 2 रन देखना होगा. 4 रन के लिए निकलेगी गेंद. Lovely drive but straight to the fielder. The very first ball, a wicket. Ulta's ball, poor delivery but finds the fielder this time. Lucky. No, the fielder will not get to it. Nicely worked and played. That ball is racing. And the ball wins the race. Running the block all but low. Played beautifully on the lower full toss. It took and drive straight in between the two fielders. The ball races away. Good hit, clean hit. Enough of the bat. Good hit once again. The ball is up in there but finds the fielder straight down the throat. Oh, lofted shot. The ball is going. It's going. It's a 6.
दुसरे मॅचींत वास्कोच्या एस.के. रिद्दी स्टारान म्हापशा म्युनिसिपालिटीक 6 विकेटींनी मारले. म्हापशान पयली बॅटिंग करतना 9 आउट 31 रनूच काडिल्ले. एस.के. रिद्दीन 4 विकेटी वगडावन जैत जोडले. विकेटीचे हॅट्रिक करपी रिद्दीचो शेखर अंबिका मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Lofted shot. Oh, that's gone big. That's gone many a mile. Once again, a lofted shot. The ball is up in there. There is a fielder. Will take that catch? And yes, this time there is a connection. The ball going huge, but straight down the throat of the. Oh, appeal and given. So the ball is up in there, and the wicketkeeper, but he said it's mine, and he grabs it. The ball is up in there, nicely placed, the beautifully placed in between two fielders. But one fielder covering that area and grabbing the catch. Low full toss played, but finds the fielder. Could be another catch, and yes, Shekhar is on hat-trick. Oh, he's a hat-trick. It's a hat-trick. It's the third hat-trick of the tournament. The ball is up in there and could be the 9th wicket.
But this time, he goes up in the air. And what? Well, there was absolutely no need to run for that. But only pick up a wicket. They are appealing. And this time, yes, the much needed sixer. 5 रनों की जरूरत और इसी के साथ एक विकेट खोते हुए एसके स्टार. And this time, once again umpire
आयवाव क्रिकेटर्स पणजेक 10 विकेटींनी धाडावन वास्कोचे SK रिद्दी स्टार क्वॉर्टर फायनलींत पावले. आयवाव क्रिकेटर्सान पयली बॅटिंग करतना 3 आउट 46 रन काडिल्ले. रिद्दीचे ओपनरांनी 19 बॉलांनीच मॅच सोंपयली. तांचो आसिफ मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
उठाकर मारने का प्रयास, सफलता मिलते हुए बल्लेबाज को उठाकर मारने की कोशिश और सफलता मिलते हुए फिर से एक बार उठाकर मारा है, फिर से एक बार सीधे हाथ पे. And just for the moment I thought it's going to be very simple catch, but good effort indeed. और इस बार and you just cannot ask anything better than this. Once again tries to play it well. The ball is running towards the boundary. And a good looking shot once again, straight away up. And good looking cricket shot. Very that was well effort, but the ball will kindly come near the commentary box. Oh my God, that was awesome looking shot. And oh my God, finish it off in a style just like MS Dhoni.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.
इंडियन ओशन सायन्स म्हणजेच ॲबीज द अंडरवर्ल्ड. हांव प्रदीप शेट तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे हांगा स्वागत करता. हांगा वेगवेगळ्या जातीचे, रंगाचे आणि आकाराचे नुस्तें पळोवपाक हांव तुमकां आफावणो करता.
इंडियन ओशन सायन्स म्हणजेच ॲबीज द अंडरवर्ल्ड. वेगवेगळे रंग, जाती आणि आकाराची नुस्तें पळोवपाची संद सोडू नाकात. भेट दियात वेर्णेच्या ॲबीज द अंडरवर्ल्डाक. हांगा नुस्तें बरोबर खेळात. लॉबस्टर, स्टारफिश, आरापोमा, लकी फिश, रेड टेल कॅटफिश, जायंट गोरामी, सी अर्चिन आणि कितलेशेच तरांचे नुस्तें यात आणि खेळात. हांगा पळयात पोगो चॅनला वेलो निमो फिश. तुम्ही केन्ना नुस्तेकारांची जीण अणभवल्या? ॲबीज द अंडरवर्ल्डात नुस्तेकारूय जावंक मेळटा. सुटयेचो आणि जेवणाचो आस्वाद घेतना करुया थोडी मौज मस्ती. दर्याचो विज्ञानीक अणभव ॲबीज द अंडरवर्ल्ड, वेर्णेच्या एंटीक मार्दोळात.
Lovely bungalow, comfort life, elegant interiors and pretty wife.
But kitchen?
Jam trolleys, termites and mess, oh such a disaster, there's no space.
Install Diwan Kitchens.
Where you get functional and practical solution for all your needs. Come to Diwan Kitchen for pre-installation, site surveys, personalized design for an installation that lasts long.
Designing and creating kitchens for Goans that shines for years.
जाणा फ्लॉप शो पण माझ्या गाडयेचे हांव तशें केन्नाच करिना. माझ्या गाडयेचे टायर्स, एलॉय फिटिंग, 4D अलायनमेंट सगळें.
टायर एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा, आर्लेम घोगळ हायवे, आगाळी मडगांव. Exclusive dealer for Yokohama tires in Goa. Also selling alloy wheels like Plati, Lenzo, AD, Momo, Stamford, Infinity, BBS. कार को बना दे स्टार.
गोपी चांदेलकर लोणचे 1970तल्यान तुमच्या जिबेची चव वाडयतात. गोपी चांदेलकराचे आंब्याचे लोणचे, मिक्स लोणचे, लिंबाचे लोणचे, तशेंच आंब्याचे गोड लोणचे, लिंबाचे गोड लोणचे आणि पारंपारीक भरिल्ल्यो आंबल्यो तशेंच ड्रायफ्रूट लोणचे. आणि आता लोणच्या बरोबर चांदेलकराचे सुवात पापड सुद्धा. गावठी तारवटी मिरसांगाचे तिखट पापड, तांबडे मिरसांगाचे पापड आणि उड्डाचे पापड. तुमच्या जेवणार चांदेलकराची लोणची आणि सुवात पापड आसात नी? आजूच घ्यात.
Indian Oil presents All Goa Prudent Heavy Ball Tennis Cricket Tournament, Panchayat and Municipality level from 27th May 2019 to 31st May 2019. First prize rupees 1 lakh plus trophy. Runners up rupees 50,000 plus trophy. Semi losers rupees 15,000 each. Prizes for man of the match for every match. Exciting prizes for best bowler, best batsman and man of the series. Watch exciting matches of all Goa Panchayat and Municipality at SAG Ground, Kampal, Panji. Watch all the matches live on Prudent YouTube channel. Trophy sponsored by Nityanand Sports, refreshment partner Delhi Darbar. Prize sponsored by Talao Liquor Electricals Panji, supported by Hotel Mardol, Dr. Ketan Batikar's Spark. AG Garments, special thanks to Sports Authority of Goa, media partners The Goan and Goan Varta.
Celebrate every occasion in your life with Monjani's world-class cake made specially for you. Whether it is a joyful birthday or a romantic wedding, be a sacred holy communion, Monjani's will make it special for you. Photo cakes and customized cakes for every occasion. Monjani's, go ahead, celebrate.
खुशी थंडर पणजेन ताळमाळ क्रिकेटर्स पणजेक 10 विकेटींनी धाडयले. पयली बॅटिंग करपी ताळमाळाचो डाव 6 आउट 41 रनाचेर सोंपलो. खुशी थंडराचो ओपनरांनी 3.5 ओव्हरींनी मॅचीचो निकाल लायलो. खुशी थंडराचो मनोहर देसाई मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Lower full toss and good swing of the bat from Amay Dongrekar. That's gone a big sixer. Oh, nicely and beautifully picked up. Everything was right. The shot of length, a little bit of bat on there. The ball will go bypass the fielder. The ball is in the race. Who will win the race? The ball does. Oh, nicely and scooped it, but finds the fielder. That will be the end of Amay Dongrekar. Change of pace, good line, but he played straight. Sahil Vengankar bowled him right in the block hole. Oh, lovely drive straight down the ground. Sachin takes it. And a beautiful boundary coming up here. Umesh has conquered. The ball is up and it will be safe. Oh, that's gone all the way. Oh, lofted shot. Enough bat on that. It looks like the ball will just make it to the 6. Yes, it is.
ग्रुप डीतले पयले रावंडातले निमाणी मॅचीत घुमटेश्वर मडगांवान रास्पोल बॉयज पणजेचेर 5 रनांनी जैत जोडले. पयली बॅटिंग करतना घुमटेश्वरान 7 आउट 62 रन काडले. चेस करपी रास्पोल बॉयज 5 विकेटी वगडावन 57 रनां मेरेन पावली. घुमटेश्वराचो मतीन खान मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Oh my God. In the air. Catch it is the call. And the bowler says, this time it goes miles in the air. Miles in the air. And this time once again we'll get a boundary for that. It's a much needed boundary. This time goes again. It's a huge. बिल्कुल इसी तरह, लेकिन इस तरह कैच नहीं पकड़ना मांगता है. Clear ball.
Shot of a good line delivery. Tried to hit a big shot, misses the fielder, and it's a boundary. A good shot, straight down to the throat of the fielder. Very good delivery. Tried to hit a big shot, and he's gone. Back-to-back wickets for Akshay. Reverse shot. Will it go for a 6? Yes, it is. Go away from them. Full toss. Right out of screws. And it's a 6. Big shot. And it's a catch. And in the last delivery, big shot. Just a single. No, they're coming for a second. And is a run out.
घुमटेश्वर मडगांवान खुशी थंडाराक 15 रनांनी हरावन क्वार्टर फायनलीत सुवात जोडली. घुमटेश्वरान पयली बॅटिंग करतना 6 आउट 53 रन काडले. चेस करपी खुशी थंडार 5 विकेटी वगडावन 38 रनां मेरूनच पावले. घुमटेश्वराचो विराज मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
And now,
वास्कोचे एस.के. रिद्दी स्टाराक 11 रनांनी हरोवन घुमटेश्वर मडगांव सेमी फायनलीत पावले. घुमटेश्वरान पयली बॅटिंग करतना 5 आउट 58 रन काडिल्ले. वास्कोची टीम चेस करतना 5 आउट 47 रनूच काडूंक पावली. घुमटेश्वराचो विराज मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. सॅमी घुमटेश्वर आड मोर्जे वॉरियर्स आणि एस.के. जॉगिंग आड शांतादुर्गा क्रिकेटर्स कारापूर सेमी फायनल जातली.
Oh, lovely shot and lofted shot right in the dugout. Yes, that's gone out of the park. Oh, could be another catch here, and yes, taken. Oh, lovely shot. No fielder there. The ball will race away to the boundary. The ball will win the race. What a perfect placement. Score moves up to 25. And what is this?
In the semi-finals.
Oh, lovely shot. There is a man. He will just be a spectator. What a good hit from Viraj. Swing of the weight connection there finds the fielder. Pranay Polji, one of the best, one of the quickest fielder. Look at the throw. How accurate that is. And he's taken a wonderful catch.
And it's
running.
out.
And it's out. Viraj is out.
Brilliant piece of fielding. Good delivery, but really good shot. Will it go for a six? No. It's taken on the boundary.
But good fielding side. And of course New Zealand. A little bit of bat on there and good catch from Syed Buddy MS Dhoni requirements.
Fielders have to keep moving around the field. And
good
it's
hit.
a high full toss. And it's gone for 4.
Good looking drive on the front. What a beautiful timing. The ball had enough bat on that. It will win the race. Correct.
On the fielder.
The ball is up in the air and there is a fielder beneath. That's the end of Asif Singh. Good Pulikar, who came up and gave the man of the match. Oh, lofted shot. Syed Buddy is known for playing a big shot, but this time he good association for. In the meantime, good shot and there is a fielder. Will he stop that? No, the ball will go once again. A tsunami wave. Oh, lovely shot in the gap. The ball will race away.
Fielding.
Absolutely, last moment hand to the ball, kept the ball within the circle. Otherwise, the ball had enough bat to travel. So the ball is up in there, and Vasu said it's mine. Who will take
What
that?
a catch! What a
Catch from
brilliant
Mateen Khan.
catch. And it's clean bowled. Brilliant bowling.
इंडियन ऑयल प्रुडंट टेनिस सर्तीच्यो खबरो घेऊन परत मेळया. फॉलो करात प्रुडंट, पळयत रावत प्रुडंट.
This season we are going to have lots of fun and lots of pain. I am Srinivas, your coach, and I represent Team Goa.
And the stage is set for the prestigious national championship in football.
हारबी आर घरे जाबी.
कोच, इस बार हारबे नहीं, लड़बे.
धावाय 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 मुडोक रे आमका तिसरा धांवडायता. उदोक नाका सायब आमका वो फकत गामान हाडूयता.
They are united by the state they represent, that is Goa.
स्वप्न घेऊन फॅमिली कुदात करूंक जाता. इंग तू कितू सोडटा जागो जाव.
मग तू क्या कोचिंगा गरज ना?
ह्या फावटी पत्र नाका.
असं मगो तो
अकॅडमीच्या भायर वचपाक मेळचें ना.
तुका जाय तें तुवें केलें मरे. म्हाका जाय पळय तें हांव करतलो.
आमची जात, आमची गात, आमचो श्वास, आमचो धर्म, फक्त एक फुटबॉल. डॉमिनिकाचे बदल्या झुजे खेळटलो. आयज गोंयकारा खातीर जिकात, हर एक गोंयकारा खातीर जिखून येयात. सो बॉयज, लेट्स डू इट.
Yes, coach.
देन राइज.
Yes, coach.
Abab Industries, a trusted name in sheet metal fabrication. We offer services like sharing, bending, turret punching, CNC plasma cutting, CNC oxy fuel cutting machine, tube and pipe bending, and welding. We also offer powder coating, painting, and hot dip galvanizing. Our product range includes heavy-duty pallet racks, supermarket racks and galvanized beams, angles and channels, purlins, earthing flats, grating and cable tray. Visit our facility at Abab Industries, plot number 11, Pisulle, Honda Sattari, Goa. For more details, call 744-745-4752. Abab Industries, since 1987. मतसंग्राम, निवडणुकीवर आधारित आगळी स्पर्धा, प्रत्येक वाचकाला संधी सहभागाची आणि बक्षीस जिंकण्याची. गोवन वार्ताच्या मतसंग्राम पानात रोज एक प्रश्न, एक उत्तर, एक कुपन आणि अनेक बक्षिसे. शनिवारी 6 एप्रिल ते मंगळवार 4 जून. अधिक माहितीसाठी वाचा गोवन वार्ता, द गोवन व भांगरभुई.
The Goa College of Hospitality and Culinary Education, formerly known as Academy of Culinary Education, was established in the year 1995. The college today has a distinct advantage of being affiliated to the Goa University and offers bachelor's degree in hospitality and culinary management. The course curriculum, which is a blend of skills training in food and beverage service and production, front office, housekeeping, management studies, administration, and personality development, ensures that all the requisites are taken into account to provide all-rounded development to its students. The college also offers 1-year course in food production and 6 months course each in food and beverage service and housekeeping. The college has a unique advantage of being attached to a 5-star deluxe property, enabling its students to acquire valuable industry exposure.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.